I heard there was a little something going around that Fortitude Fox and Magnanimous Mouse had a little bit of a rumble this week. So, Fortitude Fox and Magnanimous Mouse, what's the story? What happened between you?
It's true. We had a rumble in the jungle. It was very scary.
Oh, you were scared.
Because the anger is feeling so strong in my body.
Why are you angry?
I just want to love and have compassion for all beings. So I run to the magnanimous mouse, and she runs away. Why? Why you run away from me?
Very well, he's too big size, a mini Magnanimous Mouse 3M, and he just crashed on me.
Like that?
Yes, it was so painful. I had to bite him.
She bit me very hard.
Yeah, as though I was biting on my cheese.
I am not a sea cheese.
Oh, you took her cheese? Magnanimous Mouse?
It was so painful when he came and chased after me.
Oh,
I just love you so much.
But you're too huge.
I am, how you say, sorry. I am born this way. I don't know.
I'm angry with you now.
Now you're angry?
Yes.
And we're both angry.
oh, okay. Yeah, cool it, you guys. So you're going to stay mad at each other?
I want to be friends.
Let me think about it.
What?
Let me think about it.
Oh.
If I give you some cheese?
No. I won't be bribed by your cheese now. I think I'll look for my good friend, Buddha Bear.
Yes, Buddha Bear can help us.
Well, Buddha Bear, now you're in the middle of this mess too. So here's Magnanimous Mouse.
Hi, friends. How
Buddha
are you?
Bear, I'm so angry with Fox. He chased after me and pounced on me.
Oh, that sounds scary and painful.
He was trying to be friendly, but it was painful.
It was a love pounce.
Sometimes I have a friend who was really tall, and he told me that it took him a while to notice that whenever he walked around a corner, if somebody smaller than him was coming that way, the person would go, because he was so tall and they didn't expect somebody so big to be there. So that may be what frightened her. That not that you have a bad motivation, but you came, and you did jump on top of her, which hurt.
I am so excited about my new friends, my new Sangha community.
Magnanimous Mouse, have you thought long enough? Do you want to subdue your anger, or do you want to stay angry?
I will look for Buddha Bear. I'm still angry at him.
Okay. So you want to talk to Buddha Bear about it, huh?
Yes.
Okay, then. Okay. You can sit on Buddha Bear's leg.
Yeah. Come on and cuddle close, because sometimes when we get scared, it's nice to have a friend to give us some comfort. And so, Magnanimous Mouse, it sounds like you were really scared by Fortitude Fox.
Yes, and I was trampled by him.
And then when you got scared and were in pain, you got really angry.
Yes, and I bite him in return.
Yeah. Things got kind of crazy. Are you really mad at Fortitude Fox, or are you a more reacting because you were scared and didn't understand why he was doing what he was doing.
Yes, I think he has a good motivation, but he really hurt me.
It happens. We all try our best, and sometimes our styles of communication can be really different. Do you think that you have some kindness in your heart toward Fortitude Fox?
Yes, definitely.
Maybe you both want to apologize and take responsibility for your part in this scuffle?
I would like to apologize for my outrageous behavior.
Okay, do I get some cheese then?
You said you don't like my cheese?
What
I will
might
take
be
it.
what might be even nicer than cheese is finding peace in your heart.
Yes, that's good too.
And I do realize I look like the color of the carpet. You might not have noticed me and stamped on me by mistake.
I am so sorry. I will try in the future to be more compassionate and careful.
Okay. I'm sorry too for being angry at your kind heart, for being so enthusiastic. But you hurt me, yes. And thank you, Buddha Bear, for helping.
Thank you, Buddha Bear.
Oh, yeah, I'm glad to help. And I'm glad that you both really care about each other deep down, even though sometimes things on the surface can cause tension and we can get really wrapped up. It's nice to find underneath that we really care about each other and that our relationship is really what's the most important.
You want to shake paws?
Sure.
Okay.
Put her there. Okay. Oh, your paw is very nice and soft. Very smooth.
Okay.
And maybe you can run together. Maybe, Magnanimous Mouse, you fit on the back of Fortitude Fox and you guys can go on adventures together.
That's good.
Go
That
into the
sounds-
forest.
Yes, forest work.
Fortitude, Magnanimous Mouse can show you all the small places. Yeah. And Fortitude Fox can show you all the bigger places. And I think you both live in holes, don't you? Yeah. So maybe you can visit each other's holes in the forest sometimes. But you gotta look out where you're stepping.
And I'll show you where my favorite honey stashes are.
Oh, I'll show you where my cheese are.
And my maple syrup.
Let's go to the forest.
Let's go.